As King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja celebrated their victory, a new threat emerged in the city. A rival gang led by a mysterious figure began to make its move. In the shadows of the city, members of the rival gang gathered in a dimly lit warehouse, their faces masked and eyes filled with determination. The mysterious leader stepped into the light, revealing an intimidating figure with an enigmatic smile. Determined to protect their territory, King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja strategized in a high-tech command center, analyzing the maps and discussing the rising threat. A menacing gang logo, spray-painted on a wall, emerged as a symbol of the new rival group's bold declaration of power. The city streets echoed with tension as a standoff unfolded at night, where King Cartel's crew confronted the rival gang, both sides primed for a showdown. The mysterious leader watched from a distance, fingers crossed and a calculating look on their face, orchestrating the clash. Chaos erupted in the alleyway as the two gangs clashed, fists flying and weapons drawn under the flickering streetlights. In the midst of the fray, King Cartel's fierce expression revealed his unwavering determination to protect his territory. With grace and skill, Mr. Majestic Ninja executed a swift martial arts move, disarming a rival gang member amidst the chaos. Meanwhile, the mysterious leader observed the fray from a rooftop, a sly grin spreading across their face as their plan unfolded perfectly. With a fierce battle cry, King Cartel rallied his crew, urging them to make a final push against their rivals. Amidst the sounds of conflict, the chaotic street lay littered with debris and shadows of combatants, the night sky looming over the city, heightening the intensity of the confrontation. Back-to-back, Mr. Majestic Ninja and King Cartel fought with synchronized movements, displaying their trust and teamwork against the onslaught. In a dramatic moment, one of the rival gang members fell to the ground, shock evident on their face, signaling that the tide was turning in favor of King Cartel's crew. As the battle raged on, the mysterious ally stepped forward, their face partially obscured by shadows gripping a weapon with an eerie sense of determination. Meanwhile, King Cartel's brow furrowed in thought, suspicion creeping into his mind as he scrutinized the allies' every move amidst the chaos. Caught off guard, Mr. Majestic Ninja exchanged a worried glance with King Cartel, both sensing the rising tension between their crew and the enigmatic ally. The atmosphere thickened with uncertainty as King Cartel confronted the ally, his voice raised in accusation amidst the swirling chaos of battle. Standing firm, the ally wore a smug smirk as they responded to King Cartel, subtly revealing their duplicitous nature amid the ongoing turmoil. The wide shot captured the battlefield with King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja at the forefront, surrounded by chaos, their expressions reflecting a mix of determination and doubt. With anger blazing in his eyes, King Cartel clenched his fists, vowing to regain control of the situation, while determination etched across his face. Meanwhile, Mr. Majestic Ninja leaped into action, a fierce look of resolve as he prepared to confront the ally and defend their honor. Laughing mockingly, the ally stood surrounded by dark shadows, reveling in the mounting tension as chaos brewed around them, empowered by their looming deception. In a dramatic moment, a close-up captured Mr. Majestic Ninja's determined face as he charged forward, prepared to confront the ally with unwavering courage. With urgency, King Cartel strategized, scanning the battlefield for allies as he formulated a plan to turn the tide against the betrayer. Meanwhile, Mr. Majestic Ninja was fiercely engaged in battle with the henchmen, his agile movements and skillful strikes reflecting his unwavering commitment to overcome the betrayal. Watching the unfolding chaos with a calculating gaze, the ally wore a sinister smile, hinting at their satisfaction as the plan unfolded perfectly. In a powerful moment, King Cartel rallied his remaining allies, raising his sword high to inspire courage, determination radiating from his commanding presence. In a display of agility, Mr. Majestic Ninja expertly dodged an attack, twisting in midair to counter with a swift strike against a henchman. Outside, the city skyline glimmered under the twilight, illuminated by the flashes of conflict, symbolizing hope and resilience as the final showdown reached its peak. In a dramatic confrontation, King Cartel faced the ally, both leaders locked in an intense stare, their expressions filled with animosity and determination for victory. As the dust settled, the battlefield lay scattered with remnants of their struggle, and King Cartel stood alongside Mr. Majestic Ninja, weary but triumphant, surveying the aftermath of their hard-fought victory. As the battle concluded, the people of Kingston emerged from their hiding places, their faces filled with gratitude and relief, while witnessing their heroes standing victorious against the darkness. In a heartfelt moment, a close-up captured King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja, clasping hands in a powerful gesture of unity, both smiling broadly as they embraced their newfound friendship.